How to crop video in Alight motion. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in today's video we will learn how we can crop video in Alight motion. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Alight motion, create a new project, then you have to add the video that you like to crop. Here I have already added a video. Now to crop a video, first of all we have to add a rectangular object that will help us to crop our video. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom right. Now you could select the rectangular object. All you have to do is you have to add this rectangular box to that area on your video where you do not want to crop. So for example, I want to keep the middle part of the video and I want to crop the remaining part. So you have to expand that object onto that area. Once you're done with that, make sure that your first layer and your second layer matches, and if there is any extra length you have to tap on your video. You could split it up and then you could delete your remaining part so that its length matches. If you want that video, then you could increase the length of this box as well. So you could also do that here. In this way you could simply increase it and that will match with your video. Now to crop your video, all you have to do is select both of your layers. Once you have selected both of your layers, navigate to menu bar or this toolbar at the top. Then you have to tap on the second icon at the top on your right hand side. If you tap on the second icon, and there you go, now the video has been trimmed. So that's it. That's how you can crop video in Alight motion. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.